What's up, Wolfpack members? Tom Wolf Link here, bringing you classic mode very hard, one stock and no continue. Link wants to play as Ganondorf because he's not as good as Ganondorf in this game, and plus he's the king of disrespects. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do Pikachu or not. We'll see. I'm definitely not doing Pichu. I'll save that for Fox McCloud. I doubt I'll do it. Anyways, let's start the challenge. First attempt, you know the rules. One stock very hard, no continue. Let's go. King of disrespects. First one. Got my glasses on. Let's do it. When I put my glasses on, I mean business in this game. Yup. That team battle. Oh yeah. That team battle. There we go. That was disgusting. God, I hate when they hit me like once. It's like, oh. There we go. What the fucking Goomba? Wrong one, Ganondorf. Oh, wrong. Shit. Boom. Right in the nose. Let's go. Right on the nose. Falco. Thanks, Box. I wanna help. You just fucked it up. Good kill, Ganondorf. Oh, that's good. You're very annoying. Fucking asshole. That was close. I hate Falco. I seriously hate Falco. Giant Link. I hate Link. Oh god. Oh, scary. Jeez. Hell yeah. Kirby. Oh yeah, he's not gonna. Okay. I don't wanna get disrespected again. Yes! Yes! This might be the one. It might. Don't quote me on it. I might fuck it up. Because Ganondorf didn't do his elbow like I told him to. Because he said it. Okay. 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 Come on. Ooh. Fucking disgusting. Yeah, this one's good. Get out of there. Shit. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Oh my, that would've been so bad. I got so fucking lucky. Don't hit anything, Ganondorf. No. Fuck out of here. Yes! I love Team Ness. Yes! Should be in the bag at this point. Yes! I fucking love Metal Yoshi. Yes! Yes! Let's go! Fuck yeah. Dude, when you get Metal Yoshi, it's like it's my birthday, hopefully I got this. First time facing hand. About like 15 times with Ganondorf so far. Very good. Don't want to fall off the edge. Dude, Ganondorf's kick is fucking amazing. I got so lucky this one. I got so fucking lucky. It's ridiculous. I'm still scared of this hand though. Man, I hope I won this. This is gonna be badass. Whew, I'm sweating. Three times? That's weird. Not too close. That's weird. We're ending this sick way. We're fucking punching him! Yes! Yes! That was awesome. I'm such an asshole. That was amazing. I took the biggest chances ever. That was amazing. This video is my birthday, by the way. That was awesome. Yes. I got a few highlights with Ganondorf. That punch at the end made everything. That was fucking disgusting. Fucking disgusting. I can't scream too loud at this apartment, sadly, but if I was like, oh man, it'd be amazing. I miss my family and friends, and happy birthday to me, and I had fun doing this as always, and I hope I see everyone soon. Yeah, King of Disrespects right here. Anyway, stay classy, always eat your pizza. Thank you for whoever supports me and loves me and all that stuff as I do for you. And here's some highlights. Let's go. It's okay. Nice. Oh no, I'm too big. Ooh, without a sound. Without a sound. Damn it. Ooh! Let's get that reverse. Yes. That was sick. Like, I'm very stupid. I got 3 Ganondorf punches on 3. Let's go. This is much funner to do it than Link. Nice. Ooh, double kick. This dude, Ganondorf is the king of disgusting. The king of disgusting. No, not Team Ness already. Okay. Ah, little boy. That was nice. I like that going down. You see? King of disrespect right here. Let's go. Slide away. Slide away. Damn, I keep missing. Wow, they're like not scared or I don't care. Like, damn. I'm kinda scared to die. Thanks, Wispy. Wow. Dude, this game is such an asshole. If I jumped, I would have died. Dude, that's fucking disgusting. I messed Pikachu up so bad and Kirby saved me. That was so worth it. Holy shit. Oh my god. That was fucking disgusting.